Hey, Will here. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how I decide what to create next. So I'm going to show you the manual way, and then I'm going to show you the better way. So first, let's start manual. So let's say you want to create, well, you don't even know what you want to create. So you know Father's Day is coming up, for example. So what you would do typically, you go here, and you would go to Etsy, and you type in like Father's Day gift, and then you would scan through this and try and find something that might work. There's a t-shirt. Cool. Let's see how many sales we have. So I'm using my little spy, Etsy Insight Spy tool. So that's got about 2,200 sales, I guess. People are buying it. And let's look at maybe it's under options. Yeah. Let's say it's like a 2XL instead. Let's reload those numbers. Just to get more accurate. And there we get with cost of goods sold, probably what? I don't know. Depends on the type of shirt. I don't know, let's put 10. Shipping $450, transaction fees probably $6.50 percentage, and then relisting fees 20 cents. Ads, if they charged it, that would show there, so $7. Anyway, point is that one's making money. It's a t-shirt for Father's Day, but here's what I don't know. Is there any demand for that? I mean, I'm on Etsy and I'm seeing a bestseller, but I don't know. I don't know. So for me, I also want to be creating like blog posts on my store. So will this fit into a blog post? Which blog post would I put it in? There's so many questions I have here. Like, how do I promote this? Do I just make a version of this and then run some ads and hope it works? Or is there maybe a system a little bit better that might tell me, you know what, there is demand for this, like a funny dad shirt. So let's just try this right now. So here's what I would do. Even manually still. So you would take that and I would go to the keyword planner in Google and let's just make it worldwide. Okay, save, and then I'll paste that in there. Funny dad shirt. So I'm going to put get results, and sure enough, right there, let me make this a little bit bigger. So there is what, 6,600 shirts or searches per month for that phrase for a funny dad shirt. So that's very cool. And what that means is people are actually typing funny dad shirt into Google. So they're going here and they're typing in funny dad shirt. And then these results are coming up. So we'll get all these products, and then we'll get Amazon, which has got the #1 spot. And then more images. And actually, then down here, crazy dog t-shirts. Oh, good for them. Father's Day shirts. They have some. Etsy, nerdy shirts, spread shirts. So I mean, for me, yeah, I can run ads and I can try and get sales that way. But you know what? I really want my shirts showing up here, and I want my shirts showing up. I want this spot that Amazon has. So instead of somebody clicking here and going to Amazon, I want them to click there and I want them to go to my store. So how do I do that? Well, I need to have like blog posts that are targeting that keyword, funny dad shirts. Within that blog post, I'm going to have all my funny dad shirts. So right now on my store, I actually do have that because I've got a system in place. So what my system does, instead of going to Etsy and looking for bestsellers and hoping, my system actually does this. So when I'll go back to the dashboard for a sec. When I go to actions, what's happening here is the system, the operating system, is telling me that for Father's Day, I should be creating actually a funny Father's Day mug, only because I have a whole bunch of shirts. So it looks for gaps based on what I want to target. So right now I want to target Father's Day as seasonal and birthday as evergreen. So it's literally saying, hey, Will, go create one funny Father's Day mug, what you need to create. And then what it's saying is we want to create a blog post titled Father's Day mug, which is going to go under our main pillar post for Father's Day gifts in a section. Whoop. CC cleaner. So the system knows the blog post that it wants to create because basically I've set them all up in advance. The system is telling you, based on your store, what you need to create in order for the system to go ahead and write those blog posts and publish them to your Shopify store. So if you want to see a little sample, I can show you here. Let's go to my store. I'll show you the end result here. If we go to the blog, And you'll see we've got gifts for dad that have everything, gifts for dad that have everything, personalized Father's Day gifts. We've got a bunch in there. Oh, Father's Day shirt. Let's go to the main one though, which is not birthday gifts, not cute dad shirts. Keep going. Funny, almost there. There it is, Father's Day gifts. So this one is generated completely by my system, by the gift store operating system. And what it's saying is Father's Day gifts. This is like a guide of all Father's Day gifts. And you can see we've got all these sections. And right now these sections are filled with shirts that are like dad shirts for Father's Day, and then funny dad shirts. And then if I want to see the actual post, I can go here, and there we go. I got funny dad shirts. So that is only funny dad shirts in this one. Everything you're seeing on the page is optimized to get you sales, and also to get you traffic from Google, and to get you traffic from AI. And then when I go to view all gifts, it'll go back to the main page. But we have related guides. There's the main one again. So this is like our hub, which has everything on it. You can see all my shirts are on there in different sections. Everything in there was filled from this page. So the actions page of the operating system knows what's on your store. It knows what posts it wants to create, and it knows what to tell you to create so that it can create the posts to fill in all the gaps. So this is better because it's not only creating blog posts, but it's actually working off real keyword data. So the system already has all the keyword data that you saw from the Google Keyword Planner in it. And what it does is look for potential main posts and then potential supporting posts, and then it will get you to create products to fill those. So we are only getting you to create products and taking action on creating products that actually have real buyer demand. So it's a lot different than what you used to do in the past, where you just be like, okay, what's coming up next? I guess this. What do I make? Well, I'll go here and sniff around and see if I can find something. This is far more advanced because it's just based on, number one, real buyer intent. People are really going online and they're really searching for these keywords. Those keywords are the ones you want to target. You want your products within those posts that have those keywords that you're targeting. And then you need something to keep track of everything that says, hey, we got a gap here. We need a couple more of these so that we can do this on the back end. So really your job is to come in, create these, put them on your store, and the simple way to connect it is right here. So when you create it on a Shopify store, I would just copy that tag. And when I created it inside Shopify, I paste that tag, hit save. The system here now knows because the system is connected to your store. So anyway, that is how I would do it, how I decide what to create next. At this point in time, I don't need to decide. So that's the beauty of it. The system literally decides for me what I need to create next, and it's doing it based on all the rules that are in place. You know, buyer intent, any gaps that it sees, and if it does see potential for existing products to expand on it, it'll tell you that too. So that's what the system does. And you see right now we've just got like 3 per page. Might increase that. And by the time you see this, this might change to the layout. But then for birthdays, we've got, okay, the system is saying that it wants to create birthday gifts for her as a post. So I need a funny birthday shirt for the wife. And then I need a funny birthday, another one. And then a funny birthday shirt for a girlfriend. Okay. And then it's trying to create birthday gifts for her. And then this one is birthday gifts for girlfriend. So it's giving you one step at a time. Just literally, here's what you go create it, add this tag to it, and then the system will give you more. So you can research these on Etsy, Amazon, Google, make the design, upload it to your store, map it to the system, and then you're good to go. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. But I mean, how I decide what to create next, I don't anymore. I let my software tell me what to do, which is a massive load off my mental load, and yours too. All right, have a great day. We'll see you in there.